And now we do normal distributions, example 1.4. All right, so again, have your notes ready. But when we see Z, that would again be called the standard normal distribution in statistics, which is a bell curve with 0 in the middle. And so here we go. We locate the Z-scores that are mentioned in the question. 1.3, well, in reference to 0, that would be above it, right? It's a positive number, so 1.3 would go up here, and that would be that Z-score on the picture. And then 3.04, that's also positive in the upper half above 0, so that's over here somewhere. All right, so we've got our two Z-scores on the picture, and Z is between them, so we're literally looking for that shaded area between those two Z-scores. And again, finding those areas involves some very high-level calculus, not terribly high level, but you don't care. It's going to be from the table here, all right? So let's look up these two Z-scores. Let's look up 1.30, and here again, I'm hopeful that you'll be able, look at the one right in front of you that I uploaded, 1.30. So this gets you out to that first decimal place, 1.3, and then 0 would be the next decimal, 4032. Now it's imperative to understand that that area that the table provides, 4032, is always that area from that Z-score to the middle, to the 0, all right? So again, it's 0.4032 on the picture would be this area from here to here, 0.4032. That's the area from here to here. And again, apologies if you're having trouble seeing this. We're all doing the best we can, right? All right, let's be gracious to each other. 3.04, that's the other one. At 3.04, here's your 3.04, and that intersection, what did you guys get? 0.4988, Mr. Sonogram. That's right, that's what I see also, thank you. 0.4988, that's the area from here to the middle, 4988. And I hope again, you guys remember that whenever you look up a Z-score on this table, which might be different next year when you go to Harvard, all right, they might use a different one, but I like to use this one for reasons that will become more and more apparent. I think it's the most versatile of all the tables I've seen for a wide variety of situations, speech over. But I hope if I were to ask you, okay, here's this sliver, the green one, here's this sliver, that one, how do you get this? I hope you would all say you should subtract. And that is indeed what you would want to do. So I'm hopeful that by doing all these different examples, and I've concocted an example of each situation I can think of, but if you subtract these two, you get an area of 0.0956. That's a probability, isn't it? Roughly 9.5%. But again, you could leave them in decimal form as far as I'm concerned. So there you go. There's example 1.4. We'll see you in a minute. We'll do 1.5.